This is Stefan. Everybody know him as MillionsBoss. He's a young businessman. Them analyze him early this morning inside his Mercedes-Benz, a black GLE 43 on Constant Spring Road, right beside the hardware. Jano, right at the stoplight right there say it happen. While him a wait pon the light for turn green, man pull up right beside him on a yeng bike, right beside him car, and start shoot. He's a farmer, party promoter, young business youth a do him thing. Him own Millions auto sales car rental. That's in Top Hill, St. Elizabeth. Somebody
my viewers and subscribers, I'm back again with another epic video, and right about now I want to thank my 200 subscribers that has subscribed to my YouTube channel, and keep on push the channel some more. You get me? We get the message out. You see me, my viewers and so. But right about now we have a couple videos to let y'all see, and Naya and Crushbed leak voice note. Crushbed talking some things about Naya and how Naya should send him $1 million and such for it, and a lot of contention, my viewers and subscribers. So right about now we even have more videos to show you, like Bob Marley funeral back then in the past. You see me, my viewers and subs. And then again we have Jamaica to show you in the 1980s what Jamaica was like, and look at Jamaica now. You see me, my viewers and subs. So right about now we start with Crushbed and the leak voice note. So right about now I'm out. Listen.
Man, those boy and the whole of them, man. Like the dog, they know, so they don't need to run when me can't tell them so them good, and them a prefer run way same way. You see it? All know me and Naya not talk yet, so how them a run way. Them just a look like them guilty charge it. And by me and Naya have to talk first, then so them a gonna know what to do, charge. After me and Naya talk, then every man a gonna know what to do. You hear that? All know me and Naya not talk yet. Just give my heads up, say if we talk, and we're gonna talk later on. You see it? But the man when me hear say I plan to run, and the man when me hear say I run like stay so and them man, the man them cannot do that, brother. If the man them a run, them have to cut with them parents, charge it. Have to cut with them father, and them have to cut with them mother, cause me nah no mother dog. When them go run with so, brother, it go look like say a fool them take me for, or a war them a pray. When a man run away, that mean a man run away for send can do things or come back and do things. Me not in that. If you are run away, just run away with your parents, them brother. Yeah, dog. Ricky Toffee boy, none of them not left a place. Steers not left a place. Those boy not left a place. You hear that? 3 men, somebody they not left a place. Joe not left a place. That a Musa brother. Him not left a place. You hear that? Couple more name did it. Sandman. Up there saying live, up there saying mama live, Roseanne. Me not laugh with them. Sandman and Naya right hand. Need to chat to Naya because we don't show you a $1 million want for Naya. So I not just talk with Naya, him say he want to talk to me, and I say it go bro. Me and him go talk later, but him have to see how things stay. That's why me and him not talk look a while. You see it? I make him see how the things stay, and then me and him talk from that. Tell the dog them said no man no run with them a cut with their mother and their father. Yeah, bad dog. And then brother and then look at sister them, because my brother then try kill. Big up yourself in a mother.
And subscribers, this is what y'all should always do. Look out, be and watch her movements, watch her behavior. To me, to be honest, it's like Jakes did their back road. You see me? Back road. You know what back road do. But watch the video right now, my viewers and subs.
Fina, cause uno na rank, Yeah, I just so we stop. AL, big up. AL, big up AL. AL, big up AL.
After blood clot, big up your face red like young baby bottom. I fall off, that's why I log off. I'm gonna start with time with you, I can't get 600 mad somebody. Tomorrow next time, I have time for you, son. Also, I can't make 100 line of cash out for coming out. So tomorrow, I'm not enough fear. Gonna look at your twin. Yeah, I roll it. Ow! That's got the point.
Hey, Bumbo! I'm just it. Me tell you. Me tell you, no? Yeah. Bumbo Club. Rosalee really a fuck punny life? Rosalee a fuck punny life. Rosalee a fuck punny life. Only God alone can come tell me say Rose not fuck. The man get a Ross jam a while ago. She could hold it. Wanna hear her? Chat, wanna hear her? What a blood clot woman bare face. Rosal punny life you come and fuck? Chat, call triple. Call triple chat. I have to tell Bumbo Clot bestie this. Chat, call triple. I have to tell bestie. Rosalee, what a...
This is Stefan. Everybody know him as MillionsBoss. He's a young businessman. Them analyze him early this morning inside his Mercedes Benz, a black GLE 43 on Constant Spring Road, right beside the hardware. Jano, right at the stoplight right there say it happen. While him a wait pon the light for turn green, man pull up right beside him on a yeng bike, right beside him car, and start shoot. He's a farmer, party promoter, young business youth a do him thing. Him own Millions auto sales car rental. That's in Tapil, St. Elizabeth. Somebody even think him come from Kingston. And correct me in the comment section if me wrong. But Jano, young and a do it. Young youth. Life just gone so. It is not yet said if he was coming home from a club, which you don't know tabooed upon Constant Spring Road, or him did a come from a mom's yard, or whatever. It don't really matter. It's just sad. It is not yet said what caused this, who him this, why him do. We don't know. But all me know, everybody have him as a humble youth. Jaja. Right at the stoplight them catch him. Him goodly not even did a check him surroundings. Nah, looking at him review mirror while him there at the stoplight. Wait feet turn green. Him should not check him surroundings and a look out. Worse that early in the morning. Obey the law, you know. But them time of night there, them early morning there, no stop at stoplight. Stop, look, and go. And if you are going to stop at the stoplight and wait, check your surroundings. Say if you see nothing where you not like, you not feel safe, you move off same time. For me see something suspicious, you see a yeng bike so later or so early in the morning, I pull up right beside you, ride up and come to you, you're gone. Stay vigilant, people. Stay alert, check your surroundings.